Knight d2 has just been played, and Caruana now plays queen c2. A triple attack. What a move by black, and perhaps Artemiev missed this. Because if you capture, take, then the rook has to move, and then you'll be a bishop down in this ending. After queen c2, Artemiev played queen e5, and after bishop takes d2, queen takes e6 check. Caruana's king went on a journey and eventually escaped with a really nice move coming up. This video will cover the endgame phase of the final game, round 13, Artemiev versus Caruana. Let's begin. Fabiano had already won TATA Steel with a round to spare, with 9 out of 12. He then beat Artemiev to reach 10 out of 13. Here is his full graphic of TATA Steel. Caruana 28-22, gaining 19 points. Let's check out this game. Because this video will cover the endgame phase, I will use the Chess24 autoplay function for people who are interested in the opening and middle game moves. If you're only interested in the discussion, in the endgame, then feel free to fast forward. Let's take it from the beginning with the autoplay. Let's begin the discussion here. Rook f1 has just been played and king g6 by black, protecting the g5 pawn so then the black queen can move. At the moment threatening to take on b3, so queen d1 played by white, and now c4, undermining the protection of the knight on e4. d3 protects knight e4, so take, king g2 to get out of the pin along the d4 g1 diagonal. Also white wants to play f3 next. Bishop a7, threatening to take on d3. But here perhaps white is gaining some chance to set up a blockade. f3 take, and queen a1 played, allowing bishop e3. A big mistake from Artemiev. Another option was to play queen d2. Rook c8, but then rook c1. Take, bishop b6, and maybe black can continue making progress. But queen c3 is a nice move, trying to get into f6. If you stop that, then queen c8, and already a few squares are now open for white. So this was a chance. However, in the game, queen a1 played. Bishop e3. Lots of dark squares covered by black. Rook d1, queen c4. Black really is coming in. Queen c2 check. Rook could swing to the queen side, or the rook on f8 could take on f3 soon. Queen c3, queen a2 check. Black is now coming in. Knight d2, only good way to block. You can't move the king because black can come in with queen e2 and f3 will drop. Knight d2 and queen c2. This was the video highlight shown right at the beginning, a triple attack. What a move by Fabiano, and perhaps Artemiev missed this. Queen e5 played, allowing bishop takes d2. You can't take because after take, rook has to stop the pawn queening, so when you do that, bishop d2 and then black will be winning. Queen e5, Artemiev goes for his luck, trying to get a perpetual. Now we see a very exciting king march. Does black find a way to get out? Bishop takes d2. Check. king g7, check. After rook f7, note g5 is protected by the bishop on d2, check. King away, check, 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 and here we have the key move, king d6 is possible. White can't waste time taking because bishop f4 discovered check, and it will be mate very soon. The king is under attack, the rook will drop, and queen b6 check. Artemiev keeps trying to get his perpetual, king check, king d4 check, king c4 check. There must be a place to hide, or else chess is just too unfair. Check, 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 and here we go. After queen b5 check, now black has the chance to throw in his own check. A beautiful discovered check. Bishop b4 check, and after king g3, the rook will drop. Queen takes b4 check, block, check. There must be a place to hide, d2, and this is how Caruana ended up with 10 out of 13 in TATA Steel. An amazing performance by Fabiano. Check out one video here and another video over here. If you enjoy the show, why not like the video and subscribe to the channel at the same time? Thank you so much for watching.